Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, February 10, 2023. Yesterday was a bearish day in the markets. We closed down at the lows of the week, and the overnight session is continuing lower. So we're going to look at that information, see what it's led to historically. Let me go ahead and get it set up here using all four instruments. Our setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, the overnight session is continuing lower. We've traded down below yesterday's low and expanded the range down some below there. So I'm going to go to the opening filters, opening area, and hit equals next to open below prior day low. I'm not sure we're going to open down there, but that's where we're currently trading. So that's what I'm going to use for this study. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library. And from the new lows section, I'm going to say that yesterday closed at a 5-day closing low. That's right here in the active today. It's the first option in the new lows section. The next thing I'm going to do is put us in a similar market environment. Yesterday closed below a 10, but above a 200-day simple moving average. And lastly, I'm going to go to the calendar library and say that today is Friday. Let me hit equals here next to Friday. Now it's added, and I can click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you close at the lowest closing price of the past 5 days in the prior session, below a 10 but above a 200-day simple moving average. And today is a Friday where you're opening below that prior day low. Historically, we have 29 samples in the S&P. We've got 24 in the NASDAQ, 27 in the Dow, 21 in the Russell. Win rates on these are all skewed a little bit towards the downside. You've got S&P coming in. 45% of these have closed above the opening print. The NASDAQ, 46%. The Dow, 48%. The Russell, 43%. If we look at the average moves, for the S&P, the average loss is larger than the average win. For the NASDAQ, it's the average win that is larger. For the Dow, the average win is larger than the average loss, and that's also the case for the Russell. So 3 of the 4 have larger average moves to the upside compared to the moves to the downside, but all 4 of them have closed below the opening print more often than not, and that's why we're seeing these win rates here in the 40% range for all of them. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.